Alright, worked on it today. Got pretty far, so I got 90% of the sensors wired in. Made the injector harness. It runs to the fuse block. I got them, that's probably hard to see, but I got 3 little splices. I'm gonna end up pulling them back in through the car. Fuel pump. You know, I'm not going to use all of these wires. I got my grounds, which I got to run back to the battery, stuff like that. So, but this is the main harness that goes from the coolant temp sense, then it runs down over here to the O2 sensor, and that's the power for the O2 sensor, and then the ground to the body. So, I got to pull all the wires back. It's going to take me a little bit to get the wires perfect, but so far this is where we're at. That harness over there, that's the expansion for the Megasquirt. It basically controls boost by gear, what is it, batch fire? I think it's batch fire. Oh, I also got to do the QuadSpark, but that's not really gonna be too bad. I think I'm gonna mount it right up here somewhere. So yeah, it's going pretty good. Yeah, it's gonna be tight, which I got the harness from a junkyard from an old 420A. I've just been cutting the plugs off of that. That way I still have a backup harness. You also had to do, let's see if I can get it out of here. Oh, I got it plugged in already, but. So in between the 2 signal wires, I had to run a 1K resistor. Because it's got this aluminum shielding on it, which it basically just cancels out the noise from the crank sensor. It just allows for a better input to the tuner studios. And something else, but I can't remember what it is. Like I said, I'm still a noob to all this, but so far so good. If I could do it, anybody can do it, because I have no damn idea about wiring. Luckily my brother's here and he's helping me, but if it wasn't for him, I don't think I'd be as far as I was now. So, well, yeah, that's the update. That's all the crap today. My neck's burnt. So, oh, that's for the box, the fuse box that we're gonna run inside the car, because that one don't come with a bus already on it. Got some pretty cool plans for a relay box or relay panel. So. Hopefully I can make it happen. If not, then it'll just be mounted to the inside firewall. Well, hope y'all like it. Enjoy. Hopefully next week I'll get another video out and we'll go from there.